Let me take you to the wonderful world of AAC packing line. So we have just now upgraded. Earlier they were using these pallets, but now these pallets are kept aside because we have given them this upgradation system. And how this is made? This is the automatic line which makes it. So these grooves are created for forklifts. This is a strapping machine. One side strapping is being done now. That is one strapping machine for x-axis. This is for y-axis. And that is the tuber stacker machine. We have the robotic option as well. From there it picks up. See how the groove is being made. Now you can see how the forklift picks it up effortlessly. So again we'll see. One axis is being done here. The other axis is being done here. And see how easy it is to pick up. The fork comes here along both ways. Well and good. Nice and steady pickup. And it can be stacked to 4-5 feet high. It's cold out here, so I am wearing the coat, and they have the cold protection outside.